Hey friends, if you've ever felt like staying silent was the only way to stay safe on the job, you're not alone. But here's the truth: toxic silence might protect you in the short term, but it costs you long term. And in this video, I'm going to break down how I went from shutting down to speaking up, and how you can reclaim your confidence without risking your career. So stick around for the 3-minute daily drill that helped me rebuild my voice. And it can help you too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos built for real growth. Now, for over a decade, I worked in corrections, and silence was my survival tool. I watched peers shut down. I did the same until I realized I wasn't just quiet on the job. I was quiet and disappearing in my own life. This isn't just a story. My friends, this is the work. Now, toxic silence isn't strength. What it is it's a survival mode. And as a first responder, silence is often mistaken for professionalism. Just do your job and keep your mouth shut. How many times have we heard that as a first responder? Especially new people coming in. I see it all the time. I try to stop that as much as I can, because often that silence is that traumatic response. It's not strength. And over time, what it does is it just isolates you, not just from your coworkers, but from your family, from your identity, from your peace. The longer you stay silent, the more you lose touch with who you really are. My friends, drop the lock emoji in the comments if you've ever felt locked behind your own silence. Because suppression shrinks that confidence over time. When you keep biting your tongue, your brain gets the message: my voice doesn't matter. And that message then rewrites your identity. Confidence doesn't mean being out loud, right? It means trusting that your voice has value, even if no one claps when you use it. So just a quick question: what's one thing you wish you had said, but you actually held it back? Reclaiming your voice doesn't start with a speech, right? It's not a monologue. It starts with these micro moments. That quick comment in briefing, a note in your phone, a quiet no when you usually say yes. This isn't about being confrontational. It's about being consistent. Every time you speak, even a little, you rebuild that bridge between who you are and how you're showing up. So let's try this voice activation drill. This is a daily drill that I still use. It takes 3 minutes and it rewires your brain. Here's how. What you do is you speak one truth out loud. Say something real, even if you're alone. Today was heavy, but I handled it better than I thought. And then write out one honest sentence. Ask yourself, answer this question: what am I really holding back right now? And then just write. No filters, just get it out. And then finally, share it. This is the hard part. Share it. Text a buddy, text a friend, text someone that you trust. Post it in a safe group, right? I'll add the link to the private Facebook group. Post it in there. Say it out loud to a loved one. Man, today was tough. Just needed to say that. The goal isn't to fix anything. The goal is to just stop hiding it. Now, my friends, if this hit home with you, give it a like, because it helps reach more officers who need it. Subscribe for more straight up tools for healing, growth that lead to clarity. and then watch this next video because it's going to give you more tools for your toolbox.